The wildfires in Los Angeles are devastating. Over 30,000 acres have burned and communities are shattered. I've seen families evacuating from Malibu to Pasadena, their lives packed into cars, leaving everything behind. Firefighters are on the front lines, battling flames that seem unstoppable, while the air quality plummets to hazardous levels. It's not just the people who are suffering, animals are displaced too, filling shelters that are already overwhelmed. We need to act, donate, volunteer, support local organizations. This crisis is a call for unity. Together, we can help those affected and begin to heal our beautiful city.